Hi everyone. As you can see, I have lots of colors out today. I'm really excited for today's piece. I'll be doing it on a 7x14 size canvas. And as you can see, I have my little rainbow set out. What's really special for me about today's piece is that all of these colors here, they're all metallic. And as well as I have some glow-in-the-dark paint in the white here. So I'm really excited. It's going to be my first time to work with that. And I'm excited to see the results and how it turns out. I will also be using an air gun like I did last time. Last time I used this one. And this time I have a new little end that I'm going to try to see maybe it's going to be easier to control. So I'm excited to see how that turns out. So here we go. I've put my canvas on the turntable. Maybe just it's going to be easier for me when I'm going to blow to be able to have access to more angles and not put my head in the shot. So here we go. So I found this piece very fun to make. The process for me was really interesting because I wondered quite a couple of times along the way whether I should stop or keep going. But in the end, I'm kind of happy with how it turned out. It's growing on me. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. And if you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Bye.